Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to rotate, flip, and fix the frame of your video in CapCut video editing app without any stress. Let me show you how. So take a look at this particular video right here. This video was not properly positioned in terms of horizontal and vertical. How do we fix this particular problem in CapCut? Let me show you how. First thing first, make sure the video is selected in the timeline. Once you select the video in the timeline, come down below right here and slide in this way. This will allow you to see more too. Continue to slide in this way. Continue to slide. Continue to slide. Continue to slide. Continue to slide. Until you get to transfer. Go ahead and click on it. Then here you go. Now you have different options right here. You have rotate, you have mirror, and then you have advanced adjustment right here. Now let's say for instance you want to rotate the video. What you need to do is to go ahead and then click on rotate right here. Boom. So if you are not satisfied with this kind of rotation, continue to click on rotate until you are fully satisfied. So click on rotate, boom. So this is the right position for this particular video right here. Now if you want to mirror the video, you can easily click on mirror right here, which allows you to flip, mirror horizontal or vertical as the case may be. You can as well make use of advanced right here, which allow you to scale in and scale out your video. If you want to zoom right here, go ahead and click on zoom, and this allows you to work with zoom tab. So you can zoom in the video or you can zoom out more than 100% of the video right here. Now let's play out the video just like so. You can see it right here. Once you are satisfied with every arrangement and the likes, you are good to go. You can click on position right here. If you want to adjust the X and Y axis of the video, you want to adjust the position, you can drag as much as possible. Adjust. So let's play the video again. Just like so. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And all the effect is going to be taking place in the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.